Okay.
We're here at the Barack Obama party. Everybody's looking drunk, eating, and Tasha's farting as usual. Now we got Joe Biden and his wife about to get their groove on. I mean, about to dance, not get their groove on. You know what I mean. Whoa, wait a minute. I'm not drunk. I was just falling down, you know. What you got to say about Barack Obama being the first black president of the United States? You're in the shot, man. You're in the shot.
No, I'm in front of the TV.
You gotta say something for the camera, man.
Oh, you talking to me?
Yes.
I'm the one you talking to?
No, I'm talking to a voice. Say something about Barack.
Oh, Barack is the most greatest man on this earth.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, Martin Luther King is the one that said, I have a dream. And Barack Obama is another Martin Luther King in my book.
Okay. Yeah.
And I love him.
She's drinking. Okay, good. Email it to me. Little all of you. Say something about Barack. Don't be camera shy.
Barack, I wish I was going home with him for one night.
We'll edit that out.
He is dead.
Hey, it's a former boxer, Mike Tyson. Say something.
Don't like Mike Tyson to you? Knock you out.
No violence. Well, no, get out the way.
Barack said we can make a change. And guess what? We did. We made that change.
She's talking about the man in the mirror.
She got the same dress on. She didn't even change. Who's singing that?
Just the vice president and his wife dancing.
Joe Biden.
Robert, say something for the vice president and his wife.
Good luck.
Short and sweet. There is. Tell the people how I am the greatest video game player of all time. Well, let's go around the house and look at all the Barack stuff. Hold on. Just get the stand-up poster of Barack Obama. Robert, stay next to Barack. I got the shot right there. I got the shot right there. There you go. Who's that? Barack Obama and that guy is, well, I don't know his name. What's his name? Robert? Okay. Hey! This is what we call truth serum. If you want somebody to tell the truth, just drink some of this. Bacardi. Truth serum. Bacardi. It'll tell you everything. Where my phone go? Let's look at Barack t-shirt.
Okay, just take the shirt down.
Change. What does change mean? Does it mean change your drawers?
It means change.
Okay. Say yes we can.
Yes, we did.
Yes we will.
Yes, we will. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wait.
We can make this a better place to live.
Yes, we did.
The help of all the American people in this world. We can make this world a better place to live.
How is it on these shows?
We can.
Yes, we can. Obama said peace on earth, not to be pushing.
And hope. I have a dream.
Uh-oh.
Everybody.
That's the Bacardi talking to everybody.
All I got to say, free at last. Free at last. Bless God Almighty, we're free at last.
Oh, we are.
Drunk at last. Drunk at last. We are drinking at last. Let me stop. Let me edit out that part too.
And everybody knows your kids disguise the limit. My neighbor did. And now
Oh, I got a text. Who could it be from? Could it be from Barack Obama? He said, you are the greatest of all time. I know that already. But anyways.
Deeply rooted in the community.
Hey, Craig, one day all the hours.
Let's say you spend $100 a week at the supermarket on these kinds of items. If you bought these kinds of groceries at Walmart, you could save on average over $700 a year. What would you do with all that?
Hold on. Take a pause for station vacation.
Let's